Today we are making a traditional Zenzai, the sweet red bean soup with the mochi offered to the god during the Oshogatsu holidays. This simple dessert keeps a bad luck away and stay healthy for the whole year, and of course, it's a delicious way to enjoy your mochi. Let's get started. Start by rinsing the azuki beans in water. Gently stir them with your hands to remove any impurities, such as small pebbles. Don't worry if you find cracked beans, you can still use them. Wash the beans twice and drain them using a strainer. Transfer the beans to the pot and add enough water to cover them. Bring the water to a boil. Then add more water, about half a cup, to cool it down to below the 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. This technique is called bikkuri mizu, that is literally translated into surprise water. By adding water, helps balance the temperature between the skin and the inside of the beans and allowing them to cook more evenly. Drain the beans and rinse the pot and return the beans to the pot. This first boiling step, called shibukiri, removes any bitterness from the beans and creates a clean and pure flavor. Add enough water to cover the beans by about 1 inch. Cover the pot and cook on medium-low heat for 20 minutes. Remove the lid, add a cup of water and cook for another 20 minutes. And finally, add more water, cover and cook for an additional 10 minutes. When the beans are soft and the skins begin to stick to the edges of the pot, they are almost ready. You can also test by crushing the beans with your fingers. It should feel soft and mash easily without any resistance. Add about 1 cup of water, sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt to the cooked beans. Adjust the water depending on how thick you like your zenzai. Use more water to lighter soup or less for the thicker consistency. Let the mixture simmer until the sugar and salt dissolves. For the best flavor, allow the zenzai to cool to room temperature, then reheat before serving. Cooling process helps the sweetness soak deeply into the beans. To assemble, if you like the soft mochi, place 1 piece of mochi with half a cup of water in a microwave-safe bowl and heat at 800 watt for 50 to 60 seconds. For a toasted version, bake in a toaster oven for 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown. Both methods create the delicious result. To balance the sweetness, serve the zenzai with tsukudani, a savory topping made from leftover ingredients from ozoni, New Year's mochi soup. This is a wonderful way to reduce waste and add extra flavor. Modern kagami mochi is much easier to handle than traditional versions, which tend to mold or dry out. Using these convenient versions is a great way to keep the tradition alive while adapting to the modern lives. Cooking azuki beans from scratch allows you to control the sweetness and enjoy their natural aroma and flavor. Maybe a canned sweet beans are an option, but the effort making them yourself is well worth it. Make a big batch. It's a warm, sweet way to celebrate tradition and enjoy the season. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!